Hello everyone, Nijani. I hope ni right konke la nikhona. FIFA Club World Cup 2025 Mamelodi Sundowns 3 PVP 4 awari game Masandawana akungiboni kunomlandeli weSundowns okwatileko la khona. Hayi labafana abadlalile labafana baXasi.net in and out. Only mistake la ngikhulume ngayo ku first video am before game ithoma ukuthi so wenza bese basiphanishe ngawo. Mara when it come to Dominic team game, when it come to rotating iball, I be afraid Sundowns scored 3 goals against .net. .net say dilemma iball thali tholi set piece idlala ukora idlali ishot set piece ekhoneni baqeda isikhathi. Bafethu akekho umuntu weSundowns ongekho happy. Labafana abadlala iball. Sundowns bafethu ya dominator. I dominator against .net. .net isikhuluma ngamabalwa neBayern Munich week in week out eGermany. Sundowns kwazile ba dominate. Hayi bafethu Ribeiro Costa solo goal. Bazoyikhulumisa banamona ku FIFA Club World Cup boy. Ungenzeka kube i-goal of the tournament izwamina boy. Well done Ribeiro. Hayi bafethu and coach well done go keep Ribeiro ntemkhumkwena. Uyabona ka sayiwin 4-2. Akamdose wenzana uba reservela kuthini bathole energy right bakhona ukudlala igame eFluminense baluleke kakhulu igame leyo. iSundowns iyathusa iSundowns izodlala la 16 iFluminense ibukele le game ithukiwe la ikhona. Mamelodi Sundowns bafana bafana outclassile nikhombisile ukuthi ni team ni plante win rotita ngayiball i-tournament nibethe ngoba ama-European bafana Europeans wenza mistake bakora wonke amagoal abakorile kwa check mos iSundowns la touch cha le on goal nalapha ne-outtake idlala i-touch lapha idribula khona uma Alende before yodlala ngaphandle uSpencer ukuba Sylvester one uSweden wayecross umndaweni zone goal bafethu well done to Sundowns each and every one of the Sundowns uhappy la khona. Sundowns yaXasi PVP Sundowns uluze ngepride bafethu mina ngiyanivuma ngiyanifavor nginethando lena amaSundawana ngibona khona ngokwathile ngibone ne-stadium abantu bacula from 4-2-4-1 babonisa ithando le-Sundowns nani laba fethu enikhona ku-TikTok enikhona inkundla zokuthelana asiboniseni ithando le video lengeyenu nijabule nikhombise ukuthi nineklapa iklapini isazodominata in African football isikhathi sokuthi dominate kuma-continental football wama-CAF Champions League sokufika kusele kancane kuzokufika kuzokulunga ku-PSL khona kudala yaceda isazoqeda i-10 years ezako lekusazofana Sundowns izozoma-champion i-Premiership ikhombisile namhlanje i-PVP asikhulumi ngama-underdogs asikhuluma ngabantu abadominate ibhola yaseGermany. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu the way barutita ngayibhola Mshishi well done Ribeiro well done Lukaku well done for assist le umuthiba first Mamelodi Sundowns goal well done ngikhutsho wonke umrenas 2 goals 2 games well done Sandawana well done Cupido Tebza Mokwena well done boyish football son bakubuka ibhola bakuthatha basiphanisha Williams at lucky ma mistake enzakalako mfana la ibholweni well done to each and everyone odlalela iSundowns well done to each and everyone uku-management yeSundowns isho nama-fans onke la khona ngiyawabonga Yellow Nation energy engayeleya sikhipheni siphusheni sibanikele that thing for igame eFluminense well done to Yellow Nation.